Hey guys, we're back with another recipe from the Keto Comfort Foods recipe book. Today we're going to do chocolate donut bread pudding. So this is what it looks like. Yum yum, lots of chocolate. The calories on this is 220. Fat is 19 grams. Protein is 6 grams. Carbs are 5 grams. And fiber is 3 grams. So this makes 12 bread pudding. And the first thing we're going to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So I'm going to do that right now. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a muffin pan like this and we're going to spray it with, let me get you guys down here. I have the camera on a better stand. I had it upside down last time, so I'm going to spray this with some olive oil, or avocado oil, and then we're going to just set this aside here, and then we're going to take a bowl here and we're going to cube the donuts that we made last night. So it's best to cut these. So I got my famous touchdown bowl or platter here, and then I've got our donuts here. We're only going to use 6 of them, but there's our donuts from yesterday. Grab a knife here and we're going to cube these up. So I'm just going to pretty much slice these and we're going to put this in the bowl. Yeah. Perfect. So this recipe is kind of cool because you're using an existing recipe. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so there is our cubed donuts. And then we're going to put in some milk and cream. So let me grab those. So in this recipe you are supposed to use cashew milk. You can use any unsweetened milk, almond or cashew. Even on the other recipe when I made these originally, you can use cashew or almond milk. So we're going to take cashew or almond milk. And we're going to go ahead and take 1 cup of this and half a cup of heavy cream. So I got the heavy cream here and half a cup. And then we're just going to kind of let this soak and set aside. And then we're going to take another bowl. Let me go put these away really quickly. These aside. And then we're going to take another clear bowl and we're going to add in eggs, sweetener, and cinnamon and vanilla. So we need 3 large eggs. Okay, so we got our eggs right here. Perfect. And then we're going to add cinnamon, which is 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So still using my same one here. I'm probably down to the bottom. There we go. And then we're going to add some sweetener. So 2/3 cup of sweetener. Using my monk fruit. I do need to get some more of this. I'm going to run out on this recipe probably. Yep. Okay, and then we're going to mix this together. Oh, we're going to add the vanilla. So we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. go. And then we're going to mix this. My little whisk here. There we go. And now we're going to pour this into this. And then I'm just going to grab a spatula or something to kind of toss this around in here. And then here comes the fun part. I don't know how I'm going to. It says, pour the mixture into the prepared dishing pan or the muffin pan. So I don't know how I'm going to do this cleanly. I feel like it's going to make a mess. I wonder if I did this. So I'm going to take a spatula here, the spoon, and I'm going to gently put it in there. There we go. There we go. Okay, good. An extra. I'm going to put an extra one in here. An extra one in here. An extra one in there. Extra one in there. Perfect. And then I got an extra couple of liquid. Ooh, I just made a mess. Okay, I think we got majority of this all in there. No leftovers, that's what I like. So this is what our result is before we put it in the oven. My oven is still preheating. So we're going to, this cooks for like 30 minutes. So I'm going to put this in the oven here when it dings. And then we'll be back in about 30 minutes to put the glaze on that we made yesterday, just to kind of toss it up with some more chocolate, just what we needed. So we'll be back in about 30 to 45 minutes. Thanks, guys. Okay, here's the end result, guys. So here is our bread pudding. I scraped one out. Looks pretty good. It smells fantastic. We're going to drizzle some of the chocolate from the last recipe on top of it. Let me move this out of the way here, and we can try this. Perfect. This is my new decor every time. I got these last year at the grocery store. They had a bunch of these football plates and napkins marked down. So when you see these in my video, that's what the decor is. So we're going to try this really quickly here. I should probably get a fork. Definitely tastes more like a dessert than a breakfast, but it's really good. Very sugary, but That's why I'm saying it's more of a dessert than a breakfast. But very good, very good. Great way to use existing ingredients in another recipe. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.